Well, that's not a good way to start your Saturday. Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So it's Saturday. My GoPro's not working, but Kevin had an extra Hero 4. It's got a little crack in the side screen, but not on the actual lens. So I think we're good, so we're going to test it out. But first of all, just want to thank everybody that subscribed. Thanks so much. We finally hit 10,000 subscribers now. In the world of YouTube, maybe like a couple of years ago, 10,000 would have been a pretty big thing. But nowadays, well, 10,000 ain't really shit. But I'm really thankful for everyone that subscribed. And for me, it's a big deal. And I've learned from my brother over the past, 6 to 8 months that you can't really compare yourself to other people. And I've gotten pretty good about that. So, I mean, yeah, you see these other channels with like a ton of subscribers, but we like our content. We don't want to be like anybody else. We like what we do. We like the cars that we have, and we actually thoroughly enjoy making videos. So for the 10,000 people that subscribe to my channel and the 20,000 people that subscribe to his channel, like, we're super thankful for them. We have fun with it. Like, we know we're never gonna make a bunch of money off of it, and that's why we work all the time. We don't just get to quit our jobs and make YouTube videos. And even if we made enough off YouTube to quit our jobs, we wouldn't, because we actually like what we fucking do. So, but yeah, today's gonna be a cool video. Got our friend Rigo's in town. So if you don't know who Rigo is, Rigo actually found us through YouTube. He lives in Kermit, which is a small town where a bunch of slow cars are from, I guess. So Rigo has a Hellcat. He found us through YouTube. I think he's watched Kevin's channel to begin with. Then he found Misa through Kevin and decided to get his Hellcat wrapped by Misa, which is really cool. And so he had the camo one. So you've seen the video that I made. It's an amateur video, but I like it, and I did okay with it, I think. But it's the real camo cat, because his is actually still camo. Anyways, he's had some performance mods done by Boost. He had the stage 1, the Dave package. Yeah, the Dave package. So he had the 265 upper done, intake, cat delete, stage 2 snow performance methanol injection, and a tune. I think that's pretty much it. That's the stage 1 package. So he made 815. Now he made more than I did because well, they had to fluff up the numbers because they don't want Rigo to feel bad. So they had to put some fake corrections on there to make Rigo feel like his car's actually fast when it's really slow. But anyways, he actually did make more than me because it's a manual, and he's one of our only friends that still has a manual. So it's really cool to hang out with him and to hear his car, because it does sound different being a manual. It definitely pops more, and it backfires like a crazy motherfucker. So it's pretty cool though. I don't know about the whole camo thing. It's weird. Like, we'll be driving with him, and I'm like, where's Rigo? Where's Rigo? Where's Rigo? I just see tires. And he's usually in my rear view mirror because he's always losing, so that's another thing. Anyways, so he's actually, with how much power he's making and with the elevation that Kermit's at, he's actually already in need of 1050 injectors, which he planned on doing later on down the road, but he has to kind of do them sooner than he thought. He is actually going to TX2K, which I'm really jealous of. I wish I was going, but well, he's gonna get beat by a fucking Prius out there, probably, because some of the cars that go out there. But I'm still jealous that he's actually going to TX2K. So he's getting injectors today. They're retuning his car. Oh, and he's getting the drive shaft put on. That's it. Sorry, I was trying to think. So he's getting the Livernois drive shaft put on. He hasn't done the lower yet and pinned the crank. That's next. We're gonna go check out his blower though, because he thinks his blower is going out. So we'll put it on film, see what you guys think. I've heard his car in person, but he didn't think about the blower thing till after, so I really haven't had the chance to hear or to like pay attention to the blower if it's actually going out. So he's talked to a few people. They think it's rubbing on the inside, so We'll see if it's actually going out. What in the fuck is going on here? Look at this. This phone line pole has like collapsed. Well, not completely yet, but it's collapsing as we speak. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll have to zoom in. What in the shit? Guessing someone hit that. Huh. Hopefully we get to go soon. Anyways, so we're gonna go over there. He's not doing the lower yet. He's gonna do that once he figures out the blower thing. He's going to TX2K no matter what. So if the blower goes out, it goes out, I guess. I think he'll be okay though. Anyways, he's gonna figure that out today. So he may be sending the blower off to get rebuilt. And then after he does that, he'll pin the lower. He'll pin the crank and do the lower pulley. Holy shit, I can't talk today. I haven't drank my Bang yet, that's why. Shit! Okay, much better. So he's gonna pin the crank, do the lower pulley, and Marie, oh, it's a red light, but he's waving us. I'm going. If there's a guy in a tank and it's a red light, I'm going. Oh, they fucked that up. Oh, damn. Another day of sweet Amarillo drivers. Anyways, his wife Marie, she's got a Chevy SS Intimidator. I think, something like that. I'll show it to you guys here in a second. But anyways, they've brought that truck down before too. They're actually getting it tuned. Boost specializes in LS motors and LS tuning, so whereas Hellcats, they're a little bit newer to it. You know, like my Hellcat's the highest horsepower Hellcat they've done so far. Obviously there's going to be more, but so far mine's the highest horsepower Hellcat that they've done. So they're a little bit newer, but LS's they've been doing forever. So if you have an LS, you know, in a truck, in a car, if you LS swapped your Prius, definitely take it to them because they know their way around an LS motor. Now I'm saying they do other cars. I'm just saying like they really specialize in that. They know what they're doing. That's what they've kind of built their business off of. But yeah, so she's getting that truck tuned. Just wants to make like a little bit more power out of it. Kind of like how I want to tune my truck, just to get a little extra power of it. Don't want to do anything crazy, but you know, these tunes from the factory, they kind of hold the trucks back. So they're probably gonna want to race, and that truck will smoke me if it has a tune, which is bullshit. I need a tune. No one's released the tunes yet for these trucks. If anyone's watching, send me the damn tune, please. The 2018, because of the 10-speed, they haven't released the trans tuning form yet. They said you can send in and they'll do the engine tuning, but as far as the trans tuning goes, they haven't released the trans tuning yet. So I'm just waiting till the whole package is ready so I can tune my truck finally, because it'll definitely run a lot better. And I still need to put gas in my truck too. So anyways, we are headed over to Boost. And we'll show you some cars over there. Alright, so if you guys didn't know which one Rigo's car is, it's right there. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Shit, where is it? All I see are wheels. That's Rigo's car. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. What is he doing? Look, when you see a Ford and you want one but you can't afford it. Damn. I was like, when you see a Ford but you can't afford it. Guys, it's Rigo. Hey, are you putting a Whipple on today?
I wish, man.
All right, I told him you're doing the drive shaft, the injectors, and a retune. That's it, right?
And T-stat.
Oh, and the thermostat. Okay, and the thermostat. And then he's gonna figure out.
Then I'm gonna have him take it out back, catch it on fire.
So he's gonna run it at TX2K like that, and then he's gonna do the blower, right? If it's going out.
If it's going out.
And then the lower. And if this video gets 100 likes, Rigo will just buy a Whipple and not rebuild the piece of shit stock blower, right? Oh, okay, 1,000 likes. Hundreds would be pretty.
I'm Mexican. My word doesn't mean nothing. Not what Trump.
Okay, get political. He doesn't mean that.
I think it's not the blower.
What?
Because in all the videos I heard when they turn them off, you hear.
Has arrived. And this is Rigo's truck they're getting tuned. Actually, this is Marie's truck. This truck's nice because Rigo doesn't drive it.
That's why it still works.
Okay, why is this rare?
They only make so many Intimidators.
How many?
What's going on, guys?
933. It was 933.
They made 900 of them?
Yeah, 933, and this is the 100th one.
Number 100.
Isn't this the slowest one?
Yes.
Wow.
You didn't want to talk to me when we got in the deal.
I fucking hate this guy, seriously.
So, when you get a nice car, not my own horn, but
you are.
there's a group of 50 kids right by where we're fixing to turn in to go into the parking garage. YouTube right here.
Fixing what? What were you fixing?
No, I was fixing to turn in to the parking garage.
What were you fixing?
Okay, can you don't? And these kids, they're like smile, they're getting ready to take pictures, and they're like, oh! They like turn around, are all pointing at the car, and I'm like looking at them, they're like, yeah, yeah. And so like I rev it up, oh! Kids start going wild. Marie is pissed, dude.
No.
You always are seeking attention, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, that is the point of having a nice
No, it's
car.
not. You don't have to be a douche about it.
Being a douche would have revved it. Give me that.
Coming from the guy that tries to race everybody and their God.
Dude, B6 Mustang gets the other way from Kate's. We're passing.
I told you.
He's all. I'm like,
Sign your L, buddy. Be prepared to get gapped.
Turn. You got the camera on the wrong.
Marie, you're about to get gapped. Maybe your intake's dirty. If that doesn't beat my truck, then your shit's whack as fuck.
Not mine.
Marie, if you don't beat my truck, that's whack. We're going from a dig.
Get ready to get your ass handed to you.
Shit. Alright, so we didn't film it, but we just worked out. Kennedy finally joined us. Look at those guns!
Oh!
So we all worked out. Branson, Rigo, Marie, and Kennedy and I. And yeah, there's Branson flooring his truck at somebody, I don't know. So they got their truck tuned. It made 315, 345. I think it was 345 torque. Meow. And so I beat them from a roll. I didn't film it. But they want to go from a dig because it's a 4-speed auto transmission. Look at Branson's license plate. I don't know if you can see it. That says Batmovie. It's pretty cool. What do you want, 30?
Oh, yeah, 30. Going right here?
We'll go straight. You. Too fast for the sunroof to be open.